This is why I love rumors so much when it comes to cell phones. And especially as we get closer and closer to July and the release of the Z Fold 6, that there's going to be so much more rumors coming out. So, as you guys know, the initial rumor was there was going to be a cheap mid range cell phone of the Z Fold 6. And then that was shot down completely by Samsung. Their own CEO said that's not happening. I'm sorry. We're not creating a very cheap Z Fold series phone. Following that up, they went ahead and said, well, okay, there's going to be an ultra version, right? There's going to be a version that's like $2,500. That's a crazy price tag, but is the maxed out version of the Z Fold 6. And then there's going to be a regular Z Fold 6 as well. Well, now that idea is being shot down, saying it's not going to happen. And now they're back to a mid-range version of the Z Fold 6. That's why we always say whenever I talk about, rumors is take everything with a grain of salt. Because at the end of the day, all rumors are leaks or information that gets out is just simply different people in the industry talking. Some of them have connections to Samsung. Some of them have connections to manufacturers that work with Samsung to create these products. And then they let the information get out, right? And then we kind of get the information and we have to kind of figure out which is right and which is wrong. And sometimes leaks are correct. Sometimes leaks are incorrect, right? Everyone wants to kind of be correct in the leak, so they just put stuff out to put stuff out. Nonetheless, though, again, like I said, we do know one thing. There's going to be a second iteration of the Z Fold 6. It's either going to be a cheaper variant or a more expensive variant. That's pretty much obvious at this point, right? That's basic knowledge, because if there's two variants, it's either going to be an expensive version or inexpensive version. But we'll have to wait and see what ends up happening. And again, like I said, I kind of am waiting to see what Samsung says publicly and when they do announce their event, because they're probably going to put out some type of leaks, or not leaks, but some type of reveal or some type of like crazy thing, right before their event, just to get people hyped up and excited. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see something in the next probably like 3 or 4 weeks about, a second variant of the phone and maybe get a little bit clearer of a look. But yeah, no, this is why, again, you can't ever trust leaks, because they change like the seasons outside, like the weather. Depending on where you live, some weather patterns are crazy. They change like the weather system. And 1 second it says one thing, next second it says another thing, next second it's a blizzard. So it is what it is, guys. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. See you guys in the next one. Peace.